So guys, you guys have to come all the way here. I know that like just some of you gonna win something here back home, but we prepare something with you, right here, and hopefully we have some prizes. We have some
more than 50 applications this time, and we managed to narrow it down to 8 startups. We got a bit of everything in medicine, in blockchain, in travel, a bit of every industry. So we are happy to be here again and to have found such a great startup once again in this city.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Well, the project we built was a platform called Tuxi.vn. It's a B2B platform for pharmaceutical distribution and healthcare distribution in Vietnam and emerging markets. Think of it like an Amazon B2B for the healthcare industry. Winning Seedstar was an amazing experience. We had great mentors along the way, the organizers were great, and the judges panel was amazing. So we're really glad to have won Seedstar Ho Chi Minh City, and we're looking forward to Bangkok and Switzerland.